To install a new cartridge, copy the new cartridge to your desktop and log into the Foglight Management Console. Select Administration, Cartridges, Cartridge Inventory. The Cartridge Inventory screen appears. Click the Install Cartridge button and then the Choose Files button. Load the .car file by browsing to the location where the .car file exists and then clicking on Install Cartridge. Leave the Enable on Install checkbox checked. Once the installation is completed on the Foglight Management Server, the new cartridge will appear in the list below as an installed cartridge.